Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a virtual crypto summit with Zoom step by step clearly. Begin by defining the purpose and goals of your virtual crypto summit. Identify your target audience and what topics will engage them. Choose the date and time for your summit, considering the time zones of your audience. Select an appropriate Zoom plan that accommodates your expected number of participants. Create a Zoom account if you don't already have one. Log into your Zoom account and navigate to the Schedule a Meeting section. Enter the title and description of your summit in the meeting settings. Set the date and time in the scheduling options. Choose whether the meeting will be a one-time event or recurring. Decide on the meeting's privacy settings, such as requiring a passcode. Enable registration if you want to collect participants' information beforehand. Customize registration questions if needed to gather more details from participants. Set the meeting options to allow for features such as screen sharing and breakout rooms. Schedule practice sessions with your speakers to ensure everyone is familiar with the platform. Create an agenda outlining the topics, sessions, and speakers for your summit. Design promotional material to attract attendees, including graphics and announcements. Share the registration link on social media and relevant platforms. Consider creating a dedicated website or landing page for the summit. Use email marketing to notify your audience about the event and provide updates. Prepare backup plans for technical issues or speaker availability. On the day of the summit, log into Zoom early to set up and test the equipment. Facilitate speaker presentations, ensuring each session runs smoothly and on time. Engage your audience with Q&A sessions or polls during the summit. Record the summit for those who cannot attend live. Follow up with participants after the event, sharing recordings and additional resources. Gather feedback to improve future virtual summits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.